Dalawa ang abante ng San Miguel Beer. 56-54, 4:40 remaining. 3-point shot. Yes! Off the glass!
Bumanda pa yung kay Frankie Lim.
Sabi nga nila, mabuti na daw yung maswerte. Kahit na hindi magaling. O mabuti yung maswerte at magaling. And San Miguel Beer now on top by 5 and down to 3. That's a pag-drive ni Fred Cofield.
Well, what Ginebra San Miguel must guard against is playing unidimensional. Kung ito si Fred Cofield will feel that he has to start scoring, the concentration of the San Miguel Beer defense will be on him. Ayun ang sinasabi natin. Nelson Asaitono finding an open lane. Marlo Aquino not able to play tough defense on Nelson Asaitono.
Si Nelson Asaitono nakakawala na po for 13.7 coming here in the third. Samantala yung tira sa ilalim, may foul na tinawag ang tatlong referees. Unanimous call yan.